Well, some local seniors battling dementia, trying to make a difference one pair of socks at a time.
In response to the devastation caused by Hurricanes Helene and Milton, seniors at Concord Place, that's an Anthem Memory Care community, hosted a sock drive. They were encouraged to drop off new socks, people visiting them of any size, any color at Concord Place, which is on Concord Road.
Anthem's core purpose is to protect, engage, and love people living with memory loss and is committed to providing an understanding of people with Alzheimer's and other types of dementia.
The number one reason that we do this is because all of the residents that live here really want to give back to the community. They really want to do something that is just going to make us stand apart and show that we're supporting all of the people here. So we did a sock drive because we know that the homeless and all the people that are needy will certainly appreciate a pair of clean socks.
Yeah, the seniors will gather together to make a final tally of the number of socks donated, and we'll deliver the items to the East Tennessee chapter of the American Red Cross right here in Knoxville.